Hello students, welcome to VSP Unity. In our today's class, we are learning MIT App Inventor, and in this classes, we are learning how to create text-to-speech app. So it is very simple if you are getting the methods. Method is nothing but a function. Function is a self-contained instructions which will be performing a particular task. As we have said many times, that method or function which will be performing some task will be having an extension called dot. With the dot, you people will be accessing the methods of those particular components. And you people are very familiar what is component and where it will be and how it will be dragged and dropped. Now let us continue with the project. Now in order to create the project, you need to click onto the projects, go to start new project and name your project name. As my name for my project is text to speech, I have given that. My motto is to create an app in which I'll be having a text. That text must be spoken by my device. Means to say that whenever we are giving the text, that text must be spoken by our device. See, this is what interface that you people will be getting after clicking onto new project. My project name is what? Text to speech. Now this is the viewer position, and this one you can see, this is a palette. This entire thing is palette, and you will be having different sessions like user interface, layout, media, drawing session, drawing and animations, maps, charts, sensors, social, storage, connectivity, logos, and experimental extensions. All these things you people can see at the left side. And now the middle portion that you people can see is your viewer position, where you people will actually design your interface. I hope you people are familiar with the interface term. The thing, the look that you people will feel and see on the screen is called as interface. Okay, now here in this particular part we are going to create our app interface. Let us create the app, but before creating the app, now let us see few more parts of your MIT App Inventor. This is your component. This is your component where you people will be having all the components that you people will be taking into your project. Here it will be looking. Say suppose if you have taken a button, then the button will be displayed, label taken, label will be displayed, like that entire things will be displayed here. And media is the portion where you people can upload your images, audios and etc. And I hope so you people are familiar with this. And the last portion that you people should be aware of is your properties. On to which component you are clicking, the related component will be, related properties will be opened here. For example, in our component session we are having only screen 1. That is the reason properties which are related to your screen 1 is opened here. About the screen you can write, or else the text, or else the images, or else the background that you want to align, you people can align. By default it will be left, and you people can align it to right or else center. Means to say that whatever the components that you are going to store in your viewer part, that will be stored center. By default it will be at the left side. And I align vertically. Vertically also you can align it to the center of your screen, else you people can arrange it to the top, or else you people can arrange it to the bottom. And name for the app that we have just given, that is text to speech. And you people could go for background color also. As it is white, you people could go for other background color, and even you can add the image also. Like that, these all properties are related to your screen 1. Likewise, you could go for any kind of components. I hope it is understood by you people. Now let us go for the project. I don't want to waste much more time in order to explain you people. If you are having any doubts, just comment in the comment section so that I can make a new video on it. Thank you. Right, let us continue with the project. Now my project is to create a text to speech. For this particular thing, let me explain clearly. I need a text box in which I will be typing my text. I need a button. If I click on this button, it should read the components, read the text that I have given in the text box. This is what my motto is. That is why my project name is text to speech. In order to do so, you people need to have a label that will be saying enter your text here, and one text box where you people will be entering your text, and one button. After clicking that, you people could listen it. So these are three components that I will be taking in, and how we will block that we will see later. First of all, try to create your interface now. Okay, now I'll go for this. There is thing, and just I'll try to rotate the screen. See here, this is your viewer part where you people can drag and drop the things. And as I said, you people, if you want to arrange the background image for your project, you people could arrange by going to screen 1. Say example, if I am arranging the background image, see I haven't uploaded any image, you can upload it from your file. Okay, you can upload it from your computer. Now let us say that if I am uploading one image randomly, if I am picking any image, say suppose in this video I want to arrange something like, you could see some images over here. Okay, let me go for the rose, right? Else I'll go with this rose one. Okay, now if I'm clicking on OK, your image will be uploaded here. You see the image name that they have given here. Okay, here. After that, you people can upload the image for your screen. Means to say that background of your screen will be having an image. Now let us try to do that. I'll say delete. Now let us go for uploading the image. I have clicked on to screen and I am going for properties. In the properties, I do have a background image. Click onto this. You can see our image. Just select that and click on OK. Now it will be arranged for your background of the screen. Now click here, and I want to drag and drop the components. Now I need three components, that is one label, one text box, and one button. See here, I'm just taking the label first. In the palette, you will be having a user interface. In that, you will be having the label. Here it is. Okay, just select that and drag and drop it. In the same way, you will be having the button. In the same way, you will be having the text box. All these three components belongs to your user interface. But we do have one more component called text to speech, which is non-visible component. I hope you people are familiar with the visible component and non-visible component. The things that you could see on the screen is called as visible component. The things that you can't see on the screen is called as non-visible component. Now let us try to drag and drop it in your viewer. Now I am selecting the label and just dragging it and dropping it in your viewer. And now I need a text box. Just drag your text box, put it here. And I need a button. Just I can do that by this. See now, observe carefully. I'll make it as small. See, this is the way where you people will be having your interface now. And now I don't want to see the label as text for label 1. Now click onto the label in the component, then go for your properties. In the properties, you will be having a portion called text. See here, you could see that here. Just change the text that you want to have for a label. I'll say enter your text. Enter your text. Now after that, I want to arrange it in the middle of the label. Sure, right. one of the thing is done. You could change the text color also if you want to. Okay, now let us go for a red color. Now you can see, now if I'm clicking here, you could see in your viewer that the viewer is having enter your text on the label side. Now let us go for the text box. On the text box I don't have any work to do, so I'm not doing anything for the text box. Now let us go for the button. See, actually work will start with the button. Why? Because when I am clicking onto this button, it should speak something that I have typed in the text box. That is what our motto. Now let us give some name for this particular text box as well as and your button. You people could rename the buttons, means to say that by default the name is button 1. If you want to say it as a speak button, then just click on to rename by clicking onto the button. Just click onto the button here. Click onto the button. Just click onto the rename. You can rename the button now. Button name is speak button. If I am clicking onto that, it will be speaking. That is the reason I am giving a name called speak. Just click on OK. Now you could see in the component that has changed the button name as speak, but in your viewer it will be text for button 1 only. See, text is different, name is different. To change the text that you people are appearing on the button, just go to component, click onto the speak button and go for text. Change the text as speak. The button name is speak. Else you can say listen. If you are clicking that, you could listen to the text. Not a problem. You could go for any name. I want to assign that onto the center of my button. Okay, it is already assigned. No problem. Shape of the button can also be chosen. Say I'll say it as rounded. Means to say that like a oval symbol it will come. Just see it here by clicking here. Okay. Now, if I want to arrange all these things in the middle of the screen, then I'll go to the screen 1. I will arrange the property of the screen. Whatever I am putting, I want to put it in the middle, horizontally as well as vertically also. I want to put it in the middle. Just see here. Now this is what happens when you are arranging the properties of your screen. Now let us code for this. If I am clicking something, if I am typing something in the text box, that must be spoken by your device so that we can listen that through the sound. Now to do so, I need to go for the blocks. Click onto the blocks that you people could see on the top right side of your window. Now after getting here, just I'll rotate the screen so that it will be more visible to you. Now let us see here. I hope so it is visible to you people. Now let me rotate the screen so that it will be more clear. Now observe, when I have clicked onto the blocks, this will be your block interface. At the left side you people will be having blocks, built-in functions. Along with the built-in functions you will be having a viewer where you people will be putting the code. And now at the left side, along with the blocks, along with the built-ins, at the bottom you could see the components that we have taken: screen 1, label 1, text box 1 and speak button. Now for this particular label, for this particular text box, for this particular button, we need to code. See, as we are saying it in English, just likewise as my work starts with the button, just after getting into the blocks, click onto your button. My button is speak button. Just click here so that it will be showing you the related functions. You could see so many functions which are related to your button, but see, it is not needed now, so I'll drag and drop it. Just click onto the button. See, when the button is clicked, I need to do something. then I'll go to the first function, which will be saying a function called when speak button dot click is done. Just drag it and drop it here. When it is done, what should I do? I should go for speaking the text. See, in order to do that, I need to add a new component called text to speech that I haven't added in the interface. Now go to interface, click onto the designer, go to interface and go to your media. Go to your media. See this. At the bottom of your screen, you could see one more palette session, that is media. In this, you people will be having a text to speech component. Just drag and drop it into your viewer. In the viewer, you could see you are not having one more component over here. See, we do have only 3 components, but at the bottom you can observe text to speech. Why they have given in this part means this is a non-visible component. It is not visible on the screen. It is visible for you when you are coding it. Okay, let me clear this and let's go for blocks again. Let's go for blocks again. So when you are in the black, we have already taken a function called when the speak button is clicked. What I need to do? I need to go for text to speech. When I have clicked onto the text to speech, it will be showing the related functions with your text to speech. What after speaking, what it need to do, and before speaking, what it need to do, what it actually must do. See, my intention is to speak the message. What are the message that I am going to give you? That message must be read by you people. So I'll take this, just drag and drop it here. When this must be done? When the speak button is clicked. Just put it in the blank. And what the message that I will give? I will give it in your text box. So go to the text box component again. When you are clicking onto the text box component, you people could see the functions related to your text box. But in the text box, I don't want to do anything. In the text box, I want to select the text that I have given and I want to give it to text to speech so that it can play that sound. Okay. Text box one.text. Let me take this and wrap it here. Now look into this video. Look into the blacks now. See here, I do have 3 blacks. Just I need to connect them. When this is clicked, when the speak button is clicked, I need to call the text to speech. That will be speaking the message. Speak message is my function. What it need to speak, what it need to speak as a message, text box one.text. What are the text that has been given in the text box? Let us arrange them one by one. See, by the symbol you could see and you can arrange. Okay, now let us go for the first part that I want to do. Just put it here so that when speak button is clicked, then your text to speech call function will go and it will be trying to speak some message. What the message is, the message that you people have given in the text box. Just drag it one more time. Now I'll give the text that you have given in the text box 1 to your text to speech. Just put it here. Now the blocking for your particular project is already done. I hope it is clear to you people. It's very simple project. Whenever a button is clicked, whatever the function that you have taken, what it will do is it just simply convert that into audio and it will be playing for you people. Okay, now let us see how it will work. And this is what your project is. I'll go to the designer. Just click onto the designer. Your app will look like this on the screen. Okay, now in order to see it on the device, just click onto the connect and click onto the AI companion and just scan this QR code by using MIT AI2 companion from your device. Now let us go for your Google Play Store. See it as this. In this, you need to search for MIT AI2 companion. MIT AI2 companion. Just you need to open it. Say it is already installed in my device, that is the reason just I have opened it directly. If not, just download it and click onto your scan QR code and scan the code that has been shown in your MIT App Inventor when you have clicked onto AI companion. Just scan it, your app will be ready. That will, it can be downloaded in your device and you people can see the wonder. Now how to do that? Once again I'll tell you. Go to your Bill Blacks. Just click onto Android app, the first option. Just click onto that. Now your download file will get ready by your MIT App Inventor. You people can see the process has just begun. The 50% it happened, and now let us see the app that we will download and run on our device. I hope you people will enjoy. %, done. Now let's download for the particular video. Now download the app now. Now click on anyway. Why? Because it is not an approved application. It is saying that take your risk. Okay, I have downloaded. Just I'll try to install my app in my device. Now you can see your app that has been designed by you people is getting installed in your device. Just click on open. See, I have arranged the background with the flower that has been shown here. I hope image is correct. Done. Then I have given a label called enter your text. This is also done. And I have given a text box to give the text. And I have given a button to speak that text once again. Now I'll close this thing and directly I'll show you on the device where the app is and how to open and how to use. Let's go for it. Just see on my screen text to speech app. Just I'll click that. I'll open it. Okay, now I'll type something in my text box. See, hi friends, I have designed my first app. Now let us try to click on speak.
Hi friends, I have designed my first app.
Are you enjoying?
Hi friends, I have designed my first app.
See, this is the way where you people could create your text-to-speech app. That's it. It's very simple. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.